totally correct. She's totally correct. Community care is your best friend if you do not want to deal with the VA, because the Department of Veterans Affairs, again, we must understand, many of those physicians on the way out of retiring, too, these are also students. These are outside students that are providing you care, so we must understand that and take notice of that. So again, do you think someone who is trying to practice medicine is going to give you the best care?
No.
Okay, but I'm not saying that they wouldn't or they don't. I don't have a dog in that fight. I don't want to, again, bash the VA because they have made strides into improving their services. But what I will tell you is that the masses has reported otherwise. Okay. So what I will tell you, go ahead and make sure that you make that report for community care. We're making that report for community care, requesting that. They're going to give you an authorization code. That authorization code is going to give you to your primary care doctor that you want to see. So at that point in time that you can be able to go to that primary care doctor, they'll give you typically up to 10 sessions or less. But at that point, you can extend and ask for more, and then we continue to request that.
All he has to do is go to the VA and get a primary care. Once you get a primary care physician, then you tell them what your experience is with the VA and your cancer and all of that, and they'll send you right to community care. Community care is going to give you authorization. They're going to call you, going to send you one in the mail. And you take that to the doctor where they provide you, or you go and you can pick one. And you figure out who it is you want to go. If you like the doctor that you see, you just ask them, can you continue to see that doctor?
And typically they're going to try to choose a community care provider for you. You can actually request, no, I would like to see this provider. And if that provider is not in their system or authorization, you would need to tell that provider, they'll get you authorized.
Community care, I mean, who will pay for the community care?
The VA pays for it. VA, that's what the authorization for. The authorization code is actually goes for them to pay for it. Yes, sir. That's exactly. They pay you travel. And even currently right now at this moment, they still pay you travel for any trips back and forth to the VA. And also there's certain things as uniform allowances as well that they'll pay for if you have injuries, to be able to get extra compensation amongst that. Okay, so it's just so many different benefits. Yes, Master Chief, I'm sorry.